So what we're gonna do is 1967 Camaro chin spoiler installation. Right, let's look at the parts from National Parts Depot. Right, and then comes with a kit. And if you notice here, it says 69 Camaro because the spoiler kit was not available in 67. So this is an aftermarket thing.
It's not stock.
So then we have this other set of parts, which is the part installation kit. Lubricant. Alright, so let's see. Alright. Oh, there you go. Alright. Okay, that's the first screw. Look at that. It's covering the stuff. And then we have self-tapping screws all over here. Underneath, look, from the previous installer. You see that? Okay, so now we're removing all screws that were originally here. Right there. Somebody twisted this whole thing. We're gonna have to come around and have to unbend the problem right here. That's gonna be a problem right here. Okay, see? I need it back in place. We're gonna have to take the screw out and basically bend it back a little. See? Bend it just a little bit to put it back to where it was before. This is the primary hole. This is the hole that holds the center. So this is the first one that needs to come. Just tighten it up slowly. And then we're probably gonna need new holes because this one doesn't fit the same. So we're gonna have to two things we're gonna do. Either we drill new holes or we bend this to fit the original holes. One or the other. The problem is the holes don't match. They're off by just a little bit. So what we're gonna do is enlarge the hole a little bit this way. So here we go. Okay. Hopefully that does it. If not, we're gonna have to come back. Alright, here we're gonna try again. See if we don't want to avoid having to drill more holes that we don't need already. But after doing it, yep, lined it up. That should do it. We'll try it again. Hopefully this is the right one. Let's put this here. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we have this little nut right here. I need to go underneath. So let's go and try it. See if we can tighten it. So that was one. I'm gonna go over here. Two. Okay. Like this one. Tighten this one. It's tight. So in the meantime, I think what we're gonna do is do the sides. here. Perfect. Okay, I just need to tighten it now. And almost done. That went easier than I thought. All right. Okay, not too tight because it's plastic. Okay. Now. Okay. Now remove that. Probably need to be, if we line it up in the center, probably need to be right there in the center so that it gives us oof, this is thick.
This piece is quite large. This might be more of a trouble than we expected.
Perfect. Problem is now, we made it perfect, but now we need to get from underneath and we need to bend this slightly.
Hammer.
I think it bent it enough. Sure.
It's chipping everywhere.
Yeah. It's like installing it without knowing, just by feel. Okay, don't tell me I got it. I got it? Yeah, get it? Yeah, wow, let me see. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. Okay, I got H. Okay. That's good. There you go. I think what we can do is clean it up and give it a spray.
Spray here.
There you go. That's it. Should be protected. Not solid, not moving. Not going here. That's it. That's it. So this is the end result of the installation of the chain spoiler kit from National Part Depot. Thank you for watching.